Yeah, I lost her. I lost her on the same spot you did? Coming down a hill? That didn't feel good at all. I don't know if I broke my camera or not. Wow! That was interesting. Well, woo! My camera took a shit kicking. Oh yeah. Oh no, he did it again. Not as bad as the last time, but I think it's traction. when it works, it works. Man, I just fucking jarred myself bad. I like when I landed flat-footed. Never upside down. No, there's a rock right there, like a big one. Oh. That's actually getting kind of yucky. I was in second. I'm like, why is it dead? I got no power.